CriticalAsset is a secure cloud-based facility management software with both Android and iOS mobile applications, so all of your building's asset data and documentation can be accessed from anywhere, at any time, and in the palm of your hands. We take facility management to a whole new level. The CriticalAsset dashboard is mission control for your building or portfolio. Users can view current and upcoming maintenance events for all of their MEP assets to ensure equipment is serviced on time and assets exceed their expected useful life. Your team, outside contractors, or other building stakeholders can be reminded of these events via email, SMS, or in-app reminders. CriticalAsset also has a document repository for all of your buildings, critical information, and documentation, so no legacy information is ever lost. Once your building plans and assets are onboarded, your team will be able to seamlessly manage your critical building assets and key operational information on one of our smart floor plans. See Fed from, Fed to systems of affected areas with a simple click. You can also dig deeper to learn more about a specific asset on the View Asset page. On this page, you will see further detail on the asset, the Fed from and Fed to, along with the people associated to that particular asset. You can view panel schedules, pictures, set service reminders, and save assets-specific documentation. This is a few of the many ways CriticalAsset can help your team become more proactive with your asset management oversight. Book a free demo today and see why the world's leading facilities have trusted CriticalAsset to turn their facilities into smart, paperless buildings.